Stop hiding behind grammar books. If you've been studying English for years but still freeze when it's time to speak, the problem probably isn't you. It's the way you've been practicing. Try this simple 7-day challenge, and you may be surprised by how much more confident you start to feel.
So many English learners say the exact same thing. I understand grammar, but I can't speak. Sound familiar? The truth is, many of us have turned English into a mountain that's impossible to climb. We tell ourselves we need to finish another grammar book, memorize more rules, learn every tense before we're ready to speak. But that day never comes. We spend years preparing without actually having conversations. We memorize rules. We complete exercises. Yet when someone asks a simple question like, "How are you?" our minds go completely blank. That doesn't mean you're bad at English. It usually means you're afraid of making mistakes. Some people even believe English belongs only to students from expensive schools or people who grew up speaking it. But that's simply not true. English isn't a sign of intelligence. It's a skill. And like any skill, it gets better with practice.
Think about how a child learns to speak. They don't begin with grammar books. They listen. They copy. They make mistakes. They laugh. And then they try again. No one expects them to be perfect. Somewhere along the way, we start believing that adults should never make mistakes. But that's exactly what holds us back. I once asked a student, "Do you practice speaking every day?" The answer was, "Not really." And that's the real problem. Learning to speak English is a lot like learning to walk. You can't learn to walk just by reading about it. You have to take the first step. Speaking works the same way. Your mouth has to practice just as much as your mind. Sadly, many talented people stay silent because they're afraid of sounding imperfect. Meanwhile, others, with broken English, keep speaking, keep improving, and eventually become confident communicators. So today, you have a choice. Stay silent because you're afraid, or speak anyway and grow stronger every day. Forget complicated vocabulary. Stand in front of a mirror and simply say, "My name is Ali. I live in Pakistan. I'm learning English." Say the words out loud. Listen to your own voice. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. That's completely normal. Keep going. Then add a little emotion. I'm happy today. I'm tired. I'm excited to learn. Confidence grows one sentence at a time. Whatever you're doing, say it in English. I'm waking up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm drinking tea. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on communicating. Describe the room around you. My room is small. My phone is old. Simple sentences build real confidence. Speaking starts with listening. Before English comes out of your mouth, it first enters through your ears. Choose short, natural conversations. Pause the video. Repeat what you hear. Don't worry about having the perfect accent. Confidence matters far more than sounding perfect. One habit slows many learners down: translating every thought. Instead of thinking in your first language and translating into English, try thinking directly in English. When you see water, think water. When you're hungry, think I'm hungry. At first, it feels unusual, but with practice, your brain gradually becomes more comfortable making that shift. Don't wait for a speaking partner. Be your own conversation partner. Ask yourself questions. What did I do today? Then answer them. I went to the market. I talked to my friend. Some people might think it's strange. That's okay. Every expert started as a beginner. Remember, fluency isn't about speaking fast. It's about speaking without fear. Instead of memorizing complicated grammar rules, learn sentences you'll use every day. How much is this? Can you help me? I don't understand. English isn't just another school subject. It's a practical life skill. It can help you communicate with more people, open new opportunities, and give you access to knowledge from around the world. Stop saying, "My English is terrible." Replace it with, "I'm improving every day." The words you repeat shape the way you see yourself. Mistakes don't mean you're failing. They mean you're learning. When you make one, don't criticize yourself. Correct it. Learn from it. Then keep speaking. That's how confidence grows. Remember this: consistency beats intensity every time. 1 hour of studying once a month won't change much, but 15 focused minutes every day can make a real difference over time. Listen, repeat, speak. Then do it again tomorrow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Go to the comments and write one sentence in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. That's where confidence begins. And if you want more lessons that help you build real speaking confidence, subscribe and join me in the next video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you there.